Now, in almost all of my videos, I always segue about Small Coffee Business Academy, especially when I talk about coffee business. And I often get a lot of questions about it, and this video would be answering all those frequently asked questions, and also I'll get into details on what is really inside the academy. So if you're interested for my mentorship program, then keep on watching. So, Small Coffee Business Academy is an online mentorship program for aspiring and new small coffee business owners who would like to start a coffee business from scratch, built with the right systems, operations, and marketing in place so it can be consistently profitable even if it's just a small business. Now, in designing the curriculum of this academy, I actually had myself in mind and me and my business partners when we were still starting our cafe around 5 years ago. So we basically had no idea on what we are going into. All we wanted a cafe business. So it ended up that we had a lot of mistakes when in fact, going back through the years, it can actually be totally be avoidable. Kaso nga, wala kaming guide and we didn't have a mentor back then. So I created this academy to be somebody that I needed years ago. So it's like also paying forward to those who are in the same journey that we were around 5 years ago. And a part din dyan is, part din ng academy is yung story behind how our cafe move forward when during the pandemic, nung wala kaming choice kundi mag-temporarily close, pero we have our staff and our people to support, 'di ba? Nakaasa sila sa amin. So, we still needed to earn for them. So what we did for us to really survive is we moved down into a smaller scale type of cafe and we had a home base type. Nung unti-unti na bumabalik yung operations 2021, hindi pa din ganun yung dami ng tao na nagda-dine in and nagsa-study sa cafe. Since our cafe is a learning cafe. So what we did, kasi nga wala pang face-to-face classes, di ba? So what we did is we also had another type of small-scale cafe, which is the pop art coffee cart business. So eventually, we already had two more additional revenue models in our cafe, and these are few of the things that I teach inside the Small Coffee Business Academy. So apart from helping people on how to start it the right way, I also share on how you can add revenue models in your small cafe para you can really be consistently profitable kahit na maliit lang yung cafe mo. So ano nga bang meron sa loob no ng Small Coffee Business Academy? All the details are actually in this link, but I'd like to also discuss them kasi iba pag nasa video, 'di ba? And also at least meron akong mabibigay na link in case na merong magtatanong. So that's why I created this video. So I'm now looking at my sales page, see sa Small Coffee Business Academy. And again, it is an online program, an online mentorship program designed to help you build a small coffee business with the right foundations and systems in place to make it successful and consistently profitable, even if it's only a small cafe. So if you're ready to learn more about coffee and the business around it, such as the marketing, operations, management, and the financials, then the academy is also ready for you. So dun sa mga still starting out, no, usually they have this common problems and hesitations when they want to start a cafe. Una-una is they don't have capital or funds to start the business, or perhaps dahil sa ongoing pa din na restrictions ng pandemic and perhaps inflation, they think na it's not yet the right time, or perhaps siguro wala silang idea kung saan ba dapat ilagay yung cafe nila because they really would want to have a good location for their cafe. And apart from that, they don't know on where to get the supplies, the materials, no, needed for the cafe. Even the running the business and managing the business is also more of the hesitation sa mga gustong mag-start ng business. Plus the marketing side pa nito. So it doesn't end no when you open the business, but it continues, the job continues of the entrepreneur in marketing. So that's why I created this academy to answer those questions because those were also our hesitation back then. Well, except no sa pandemic kasi wala namang pandemic 5 years ago. But those are the common hesitations that most have when they want to start a cafe. Capital, knowledge in the business itself, and also in the operations and the marketing side. So in the Small Coffee Business Academy, expect to acquire the necessary coffee knowledge you need to know to have a successful coffee business and ditch the coffee science overwhelm. You get to learn foundational business elements so you can start right with your cafe and position well for your business growth. Also, you'll be able to plan out your small cafe and make use of what you have and start even if you have little cash for business capital. With this, you would also be able to build a system that you can do part time together with your day job and start earning additional income. And of course, you learn social media and digital marketing so you can attract the right customers and consistently drive in sales to your cafe. So in the academy are three phases with two modules each. So a total of six modules. Phase one would be all about foundations. So when you say foundations, when you start a cafe business, no, you need to have good foundations both on the coffee knowledge and also on the coffee business side. So in module one, we discuss about coffee knowledge. I do introduction to coffee, the coffee process, the coffee extraction GRT formula that I made myself for a great cup of coffee, brewing methods, both manual and espresso machine, and of course, brewing and recipe template for startup coffeepreneurs. So I basically teach recipe templates kasi ang daming recipes online. You can even search to the point that it's overwhelming. But when you know the recipe template, basically you'll know the basic anatomy of what is in a latte and you'll be able to create your own recipe specifically for your cafe. In module 2, we talk about coffee business foundational elements. So I help you find the coffee business system that would work for you. You would learn how to do market check and position your cafe well and be able to target your market. With this, you'll be able to create also a profitable coffee business concept. Very important yung coffee business concept kasi we are selling a very common thing which is coffee. Yung competitors natin aside sa mga big brands are the 3-in-1. 'Di ba yung mga instant coffee, and how can you convince people to buy from you instead of creating their own coffee? So you really have to have a good coffee business concept. And apart from that, it would also help you stand out if you have a good brand name, brand voice, brand colors, and logo. So after building the right foundations, then now you would be looking into really building it from scratch. So two modules inside would be the coffee business game plan for module 3 and then the pre-opening setup. So after doing the planning in this phase, we now take action about our plans. So I help you find the right coffee business assets, maximizing your coffee place through the layout and the floor plan ideas for your cafe. Very important also crafting your startup budget for your cafe so you don't overspend and you'll be able to buy really the right materials, equipments, and assets for your cafe, and startup budget on different coffee business models that you can follow. So with this budget, yung business models na sinishare ko are the small coffee business models, and you can actually start it as low as let's say 10,000 or 20,000 pesos. So it doesn't need to be very expensive because there are a lot of small coffee business ideas. Then to help you open, we'll do module 4, which would be pre-opening setup. You'll learn how to craft your menu and plan it well. Of course, do the costing of your menu, determine your markup and your pricing. There are also guide here on how you can hire and manage the right cafe team, your opening and launching strategies, and of course, very important din, again, yung aim natin is to open a consistently profitable coffee business. So we would want to do profit planning and budgeting. So after being able to phase 1 foundations and take actions on our foundations in phase 2, assume na nag-open na tayo, of course, it doesn't end there. We go to phase 3, which is reinforcement. So after opening your cafe, you would still get mentorship from me through phase 3. And this is where we do module 5 and 6, which will be more of operations and management and the marketing and selling. So you learn about operations manual, accounting and cash flow management for your cafe, inventory management, very important, order management, and the repairs and maintenance. Again, important in a business is you know how to look into your numbers and be able to really keep a good record to them. Kasi kahit na medyo sometimes masakit sa puso yung numbers ng business natin, it's important that we know about them so we know the current condition and we'll be able to do the right things and decide the right way based on the numbers of our business. Then, marketing and scaling, very important kasi walang kwenta yung napakagandang aesthetic na cafe mo or yung napakasarap na recipe when people don't know that you have that business kasi hindi ka marunong mag-market. So, you'll get to learn foundational modern marketing mix, social media marketing for coffee business, content marketing, basic digital marketing and analytics, Facebook ads, and also adding revenue models to your coffee business. Apart from all those pre-recorded lessons, you also get direct mentorship from me through our monthly group consultation calls. So what usually happens in the group consultation calls would be I'd be answering questions ng mga students, or perhaps if we have case studies of different students, no, on their current situation sa cafe, then I'll be answering them. So you have two ways to get access to consultations. Either you join the Zoom calls or you fill out the consultation forms kasi baka shy ka pumunta sa Zoom, then you can do with the consultation forms and I'll send back your consultation form with my feedback. Or you do both, sali ka sa group calls and also you do consultation forms. So inside there are business templates, worksheets, checklists, and also you get access to the small coffeepreneurs inner circle. So that would be different small cafe business owners all over the Philippines. And the advantage to that is you'll be able to pick up their minds, no? And it's different when you go through a specific journey and you are with the same people going through that same journey. So with that, we can basically share best ideas, best practices, and also open up about our business problems and perhaps get the answers through your co-mentees. And apart from that, I have a lot of bonuses also inside. So if you're watching this and the academy is open, I hope you can join and I would see you inside, especially in our group consultation calls. So the total value of the lessons and the mentorship inside is huge, but I don't really charge it that much. So it's somewhat the same like hiring a business consultant. But here, you get to have an online mentorship program. So if you're interested and ready to join, I hope you can join us here. Here's a link to enroll in the Small Coffee Business Academy. So frequently asked questions. So is this for beginners? I don't have idea on running a business. Yes. So my background is by profession, I'm a CPA and I used to teach accounting and business in the university. And I love simplifying things. So, I always believe na hindi kailangan maging graduate with any business degree para maging successful sa business. In fact, yung mga successful business owners, walang degree in business or accounting, di ba? So, I always try my best to simplify things and make things easier for you so you'd be able to run your business well and get profit from it. And that's what you learn inside the academy. So, it's really perfect for beginners. So yung mga iba nang tatanong na, I really want to join pero wala pa akong plan mag-business in the near future. Well, know that the access to the academy is lifetime, especially sa mga pre-recorded lessons. So only when you're ready, then you can always go back to the lessons inside. The advantage lang of joining now is you get to join with the price now. So I cannot promise that the price now would be the same price years after. Another question would be what are the class schedules? There are no class schedules. All the lessons are pre-recorded. Pero yung mga consultation calls via Zoom, we do it once a month and that would be sent to your email para you can save the date. And that's usually would run from 1 to 2 hours only. And recorded siya. So recorded yung mga consultation group calls. So in case you cannot join, you can always watch it in your learning portal. Another thing is hindi ka masyadong techie and you're not into online thingy, would you still be able to make use of what's inside the academy? Let's say preferred mo talaga yung face-to-face. I have face-to-face classes here in Cebu. So if you wanna join, please come to Cebu. Pero yung online academy natin, very, very easy lang talaga to access. So you'll be able to go to my website. There is a username and password that will be sent to you once your payment is confirmed. And with that, you can now see all the lessons inside. Very easy lang talaga. So under my belt already are a lot of small cafe business owners. And these are few of my students who have been with me in the Small Coffee Business Academy. So if you join, you also get access to them and you get to also know them and perhaps get also advices from them. So para tayong give and take relationship din inside the academy. You don't only learn from me, but I also get to learn from you and we get to learn from each other. Let me know in the comments if you have other questions about the Small Coffee Business Academy. And sana, if napanood mo to and open siya, I hope you'll join and see you inside the Small Coffee Business Academy.